Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to unlock tab in Google Sheets and remove protection from the sheet. What you want to do, for example, if I try to make any edits to this protected range, so let's say I type in test, press enter, it'll give me this error, right? That this part of the sheet cannot be changed accidentally, should not be changed. And we'll click on OK, that's fine. What you actually need to do is you need to click here on data, here at the top panel. If you don't see these options, you probably need to click on this down arrow. And once you see data, okay, I want you to come here, click on protect sheets and ranges. And here as you can see, these ranges are protected. So I'll go ahead and click on it, and then we'll delete this ranger protection. Click on remove, okay, click on OK. And we'll do the same thing for this one as well. We'll remove that. And now you can type in anything you want. So let's go ahead and type in just testing, right? And let's type in 1, 2, 3. We're not getting those error messages anymore. Really that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash the like button. Subscribe to App Mentor.